Bitcoin, BTCUSD, technical analysis Bitcoin, BTCUSD, closed at $57,586.56 on September 11, 2024, experiencing a slight decline of $225.86, minus 0.39%. The current relative strength index, RSI, sits at 43, indicating neutral momentum, leaning towards oversold conditions. The price is trading below its 50-day moving average of $60,437.10 and its 200-day moving average of $63,920.996, which suggests a bearish trend in the medium to long term. The trading range for Bitcoin shows a recent low of $55,534.41 and a high of $58,014.35, which provides a resistance level at approximately $59,007.73 and a support level at $56,459.95. The average true range, ATR, of 3.84 indicates low volatility, suggesting that significant price movements are less likely in the near term. The MACD shows a negative value of minus 1,185.72, supporting the bearish outlook as it indicates that the short-term momentum is not favoring the bulls. The trading volume for the last session was $37.43 billion, exceeding the average volume of $30.11 billion, potentially reflecting heightened trader activity amidst mixed sentiment. Fundamental analysis recent market news reveals a drop in short-term Bitcoin holders, signaling a bearish sentiment among traders who have recently invested. This retreat aligns with increased accumulation by long-term investors. Such dynamics could create downward pressure on Bitcoin prices in the short term, as the market may lack sufficient buying support from speculative traders. Moreover, the significant increase in Bitcoin mining difficulty by 3.5% implies greater competition among miners. While this may lead to increased transaction costs, it could also indicate a healthy network, which is positive for long-term holders despite potential short-term pressures. Additionally, discussions surrounding potential price goals exceeding $58,000 suggest speculative interest remains alive, although actual trading activity may not yet reflect this optimism fully. Predictions for next day and upcoming week for September 12, 2024, Bitcoin is expected to experience continued pressure, potentially testing the support level at $56,459.95. A lack of significant buying activity may push the price lower, especially following the increased trends of short-term selling. For the coming week, with overall bearish indicators, the likelihood appears elevated for prices to remain constrained within the recent trading range unless a substantial event occurs that could revitalize buying interest. Intrinsic value and long-term investment potential Bitcoin, as a digital asset, does not possess traditional intrinsic value metrics such as earnings or dividends. Rather, its value is derived from market supply and demand dynamics, scarcity, and its status as a digital store of value. Currently, Bitcoin's market cap stands at $1.15 trillion, affirming its dominance in the cryptocurrency space. That long-term investments in Bitcoin may still hold potential given its historical performance and continued institutional interest. However, it's essential to recognize the volatility and market cycles inherent to cryptocurrencies. Long-term investors may find value in holding during price declines, especially considering Bitcoin's previous recoveries from downturns. Overall evaluation considering the current technical and fundamental landscape, Bitcoin is evaluated as a hold candidate. The bearish indicators and short-term selling pressure suggest caution, while the resilience shown by long-term holders points to potential recovery opportunities. Monitoring market sentiment and trading volume will be crucial in determining the appropriate strategy moving forward. There is a need to balance between short-term risks and long-term investment viability, guiding holders to maintain positions while remaining vigilant about market conditions.